We hope to contribute to the ongoing dialogue surrounding the importance of environmental management and sustainable operations management. Our team is currently developing a theoretical framework to assist professionals in adopting long-term incentive techniques in their respective firms. Our PowerPoint presentations draw from an extensive review of current literature on a variety of subjects. Specifically, we have examined the publication, Environmental Protection Laws within the Context of Sustainable Development. Consumer Trading Organisation Limited SE163RP, London, United Kingdom. Contact information, email, purchase@consumer-trading.org.uk, or by telephone at +44 20 774 02160. Introduction. As modern civilization continues to face major ecological and climatic changes due to rising environmental pollution and the intensive use of natural resources, it is increasingly important to have robust legal systems in place to protect the environment and achieve sustainable development. Despite an increase in environmental regulation, difficulties with enforcement and implementation limit the law's ability to detect and stop pollution. Regrettably, there is a lack of understanding within the world community as to how addressing global issues might improve environmental security through legal requirements. Public law is a broad area that includes many different disciplines, including environmental law. It is essential to strike a balance between economic benefits, public health, and environmental protection as we move towards sustainable development. While the practical framework of environmental law creates precise procedures for dealing with environmental challenges. Overview. The theoretical framework emphasizes the significance of natural resources as the cornerstone for sustainability. Responsibility for damage to the environment is a key idea in environmental law. It offers a way to hold people and organizations responsible for any environmental harm they may have caused. Environmental law also encompasses other critical topics, such as water and waste management, noise and air quality control, and environmental waste management. These rules aid in ensuring the preservation of natural resources and the safety of the general population. Regulations that are not supported by reliable environmental principles or scientific data are referred to as arbitrary environmental law. Unintended effects, such as higher pollution levels or lower economic activity, may result from such rules. As a result, it's crucial to create environmental rules that are supported by data and consider how they will affect the economy and the environment over the long term. The interdependence of environmental concerns and their effects on human health and society must be understood. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, it is now more important than ever to address these hazards through a multidisciplinary strategy, such as the One Health approach, which acknowledges the interdependence of human, animal, and environmental health. As a result of the COVID-19 epidemic, there have been numerous detrimental effects on the environment, including an increase in plastic trash from personal protection equipment, a reduction in air pollution from less travel, and ecological disruptions from changes in human activity. At the same time, the pandemic has also highlighted the need for more sustainable and resilient systems, such as local food systems, renewable energy, and green infrastructure. Environmental issues are often overlooked in the context of armed conflict, but they can have long-lasting impacts on human health and the environment. The ongoing war in Ukraine has also had significant environmental impacts, including damage to ecosystems, displacement of populations, and increased pollution due to military activities. the significance of tackling the environmental repercussions of the conflict in Ukraine, and the importance of prioritizing the protection, mitigation, and restoration of environmental damage caused by it. It is also important to consider the economic, social, and environmental impacts of environmental crimes. The prospects for the legal system governing environmental protection in the context of sustainable development are positive, as there has been significant expansion in environmental legislation in recent years. The necessity of tackling environmental challenges has been acknowledged by the world community. These goals offer a framework for governments and organizations to work towards sustainable development and environmental conservation. The United Nations adoption of the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, in 2015 serves as evidence that this is being done by fostering sustainable development. The Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, feature a particular target, Goal 14, aimed at safeguarding oceans and marine resources, as well as a more general, Goal 13, on taking immediate action to prevent climate change and its effects. The protection of natural resources for present and future generations, and the encouragement of sustainable development are two primary objectives of environmental legislation. Thus, it is crucial to raise awareness and educate people about environmental issues. However, implementing laws and allocating resources are not enough to effectively address environmental challenges. The importance of viewing environmental law as a set of social norms that direct how individuals and organizations behave in support of environmental conservation is emphasized. By recognizing the complex nature of these issues and working towards multidisciplinary solutions, we can create a more sustainable and resilient future for all. The legal system governing environmental protection in the context of sustainable development is improving, but there is still much work to be done. In conclusion, we committed to promoting awareness of environmental issues and supporting efforts towards sustainable development and environmental protection.